And now it's time for Incredible Findings with your host, Mike Lawson.
Hey, everybody. Boy, have we got a show for you today. We're going to be introducing a brand new product never before seen on TV. They wouldn't even let me see it, those bums. Well, I don't know about you, but the suspense is killing me. So let's bring out your friend and mine, Tony Bright. Okay, Tony, you got me so excited I couldn't sleep a wink last night. If I don't see this brand new product of yours pretty soon, I'm gonna bust.
Not so fast, Mike. First, I got a question for you.
Darn you, Tony, you always do this to me. All right, what is it this time?
Mike, do you ever get depressed?
Depressed? Well, yeah, I have severe bouts of depression, don't you?
Mike, do you know that if you were to buy every single self-help book on the market, it would cost you over $70,000 just to get rid of that annoying depression?
I think I own most of those.
Yeah, well, you can say goodbye to him, Mike.
Tony, what are you doing? Well, he's finally lost it, folks.
You can call me bonkers, but I found a most sensible and inexpensive way of curing that depression of yours. Mike, introducing the all-new shock treatment in a box.
Shock treatment in a box? Sounds too good to be true, Tony.
Believe it, Mike. It's the home shock treatment system from Nubco.
Nubco? Okay, now you've got my attention.
Mike, now you can give yourself professional shock treatments just like you get in those expensive mental institutions, except right in your own home.
Whoa! Is that a mahogany finish?
You bet, Mike!
That will look great in my living room.
And for you folks on the go, this baby will store under any airplane seat.
Wait a second, Tony. We can't give ourselves shock treatments. We're not psychiatrists.
You don't have to be a psychiatrist, Mike. Shock treatment in a box comes with its own set of instructions.
Should have known. Those Nubco guys don't miss a trick.
Mike, what do you say we try it out?
Well, I have been feeling pretty bummed out lately. What do you say? Should we try it? Okay.
All right, Mike, I'm just going to switch this baby on.
Wow, space age.
That's right. Just apply some of this petroleum jelly to your temples, Mike.
And the jelly is included too?
You bet, Mike. All right, Mike, are you ready to kiss those blues goodbye?
Let her rip.
There you go, Mike.
Okay, here goes nothing.
The shock treatment in a box kit comes with its own patented Nubco shock converter, capable of generating up to 4,500 volts of electricity. It also comes with 2 industrial-strength shock paddles, an 8-ounce jar of petroleum jelly, a 3-page owner's manual, and a car battery adapter for all you campers. You look about done to me, Mike. How do you feel, Mike?
Happy?
And that's not even the best part, Mike, because the entire shock treatment in a box kit can be yours for just $399.95.
But wait a second, Tony. You can do better than that.
All right, let me see. How about $249.95? Mike, that's a savings of $150.
I gotta go to bed.
Yeah, well, it looks like he's driving a hard bargain again, folks. Mike, what if I were to say to you, 3 easy payments of $49.95?
Buttered muffins.
Right, well, let's show him how to order then, eh?
Send your check or money order to Shock Treatment in a Box, P.O. Box 788, Farmington, Illinois. MasterCard or Visa accepted. No CODs, please. Prohibited by law in all states except Vermont.
Join us next week on Incredible Findings.
Fine. They're gonna come and get you, you bastard.
Good night, folks.